guys, Courtney Cashmere here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And if you are a returning visitor, thanks so much for coming back to see me. If you guys tuned in last week, you know that I promised you some cornrow content. Sorry, that was low-key kind of corny. But yeah, I do have a cornrow incorporated hair tutorial for you guys today, so I am super excited. So without further ado, we're going to jump right in, and don't get it twisted, get it braided.
So I'm starting off with my hair already partially sectioned for the cornrows that I'm going to do, and the back of my hair is clipped away and has already been styled into my wash and go. If you guys haven't seen my wash and go video, I'm going to have it linked at the end of this video here, so go ahead and check it out. And next I am just going to part my hair into 3 sections, one by one, so I don't get any hairs confused. And this is going to be where I'm going to place 3 braids on this side of my head. In today's video, my 2 products of choice are Murray's Edge Wax for my edge control, and my moisturization product is my Camille Rose Curl-Aid Moisture Butter. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, Murray's Edge Wax is not my favorite edge control to date, and I would have preferred to use one with a slightly better hold for this hairstyle. So if you guys have any recommendations for really good edge control, feel free to leave it in the comments for me below. But back to my hair, as you guys can see, I am focusing the edge control at my roots. The front of my head is a bit more kinky than the rest of my hair, so I need to make sure everything stays nice and flat as I begin to start my braid. Now for the fun part, so I can show you all these newly learned skills, I am going to part a small section of my hair into 3 and start my cornrow. Now, I know what you're thinking. I know I told y'all a couple weeks ago that I wasn't challenged at braiding, but I might just be. No, but all jokes aside, this is eventually going to start looking like a cornrow to you guys. Just for me as a beginner, it's more of a hand placement thing. I haven't quite got that hand placement for cornrowing your own hair down. That's still a little bit difficult for me as a beginner. And on top of that, the crown of my head is super sensitive. I'm so tender-headed. So the only difference that I might recommend you guys do if you're doing this style on your own hair is once you get to this point and it's no longer attached to your scalp, go ahead and put a rubber band there just so your braid doesn't loosen up. You can see that mine kind of loosened up. Alright, and the last thing I'm going to go back and do is add some more product to the ends of my hair because these things are dry, baby. So dry. And you don't want to twist or braid up dry hair. And the next thing I'm going to do is divide that last section into two and repeat the exact same steps. So last but not least, we have made it to the final section of our head. Still the exact same steps. I'm going to apply edge control and moisturizer to my hair. The only difference is this time I'm going to braid horizontal alongside my scalp.
Alright, so as y'all saw in the beginning, this is how my hair came out, the end result. I have one kind of large, medium-sized cornrow right in the front here, and I just have it tucked behind my ear. I don't really need a bobby pin or anything. It just kind of rests on my ear, which is actually quite convenient. And then 3 cornrows on the side here. And if you know me, you know that no style is complete without a little razzle dazzle. So that's why I have hair charms in my hair. This one I'm not quite sure if I'm actually feeling it or not. It's kind of growing on me, but we'll see. It might be out tomorrow. But for now, it's doing its job. If you guys liked what you saw today, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to like and comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys again next week.